If you would like to see your favorite Disney character drawn, please mention it in the comments. Hello my friends. Thank you for clicking on this video to learn how to draw Stitch from the Disney movie Lilo and Stitch. Stitch was actually a genetic experiment who escaped from an alien planet and came to Earth. Mistaken as an ugly dog, Stitch is adopted by a lonely Hawaiian girl named Lilo, who through her love and belief in Ohana, the Hawaiian concept of family, opens Stitch's heart to have the ability to care for someone else. I start Stitch by drawing his head. It is in the shape of a bowl, or upside down English letter U. Always follow the drawing to see the additional details. I will pause at the end of each major section drawn. Draw a circle for his nose, placing it a little more to the right side of the face than the left. The eyes are like upside down almonds or teardrops. Note the eye I am drawing on the left is larger than the other. This is because Stitch's head is leaning toward that direction, which would make it look bigger. Now is the perfect time to add in what I call the head accessories, the ears and antennas. Art is learned mostly through watching, which I hope I am making the lines distinctive enough to be followed with ease. I make 2 lines to mark off his belly area. These allow me to get oriented to where I am going to place his forearms. Keep in mind the arms do not need to be represented exactly. They are drawn to be short and yet look powerful. The only real criteria is that each hand has 4 fingers, with a claw coming from a bulbous protrusion of each finger. Please be sure to pause the video at any time to get a longer, better view of the drawing. Note that the 2 arms on the left side of the picture are somewhat similar. Again, the arms on the right side of the picture are similar to each other. Always making one arm starting closer to the neck, and the other toward the center of the body. We can finally draw the legs. He has thick legs and feet that resemble an elephant or hippo. Be sure to follow the drawing and connect the bottom portion of his body to his legs. Please remember to slow down or pause the video as needed. Oh! I almost forgot the little swatch of hair on his chest to give it the completed fur appearance. This is how the final drawing looks painted with Microsoft Paint program. I am also providing the paint codes in case you would like to use the same.